So, hello guys, my name is Edwin. I'm here for the proposal. Today I'm gonna present you consequence of substrate concentration on the rate of activity of catalase. The purpose of this lab is to examine the impact kinetic energy of temperature, substrate concentration, enzyme concentration, and the inhibitor on the efficiency and the rate of activity of catalase. In other words, the concentration of the substrate is increased, the rate of the response will increase as well. But since the temperature of the catalase surrounding setting is increased, then the rate of the result will be increased. They are neither used up in the reaction nor they do perform as reaction products. All enzyme catalase reaction are flexible. My introduction. Definitely, catalase is an enzyme which is originate in furthermost living organisms. It catalyzes the decay of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. In other words, catalase intentionally reduces the motivation energy needed for the reaction. Deprived of catalase, the decay will take much longer and will not be fast sufficient to withstand human life. Hydrogen peroxide is correspondingly a dangerous, very powerful byproduct of metabolisms, and it is indispensable that it's broken down rapidly so it does not cause destruction to cell. At a certain fact, the concentration of the substrate will plug all the active mentioned, and by calculating more substrate, the feedback is accepted out unaffected. Campbell and Wisey, page 154. At this point, the simple way to increase the rate of the reaction when the substrate is soaked into increase more enzyme that additional substrate can plug. Temperature and pH likewise perform an analogous role in amplifying the enzyme activity. As the temperature is augmented, the rate of the reaction is augmented to specific point. This happens because as the temperature is additional, there is more energy permitting the substrate to hit with the enzyme. Okay. My hypothesis. Okay. I consider that as the concentration of the hydrogen peroxide substrate increase, the rate of the reaction will increase as well. First of all, as there are progressively lighter molecules of hydrogen peroxide, there will be lighter impact in the middle of the substrate and enzyme molecule catalase in the east. Most important, an increase in enzyme substrate facilities form. Because the enzyme is controlling factor, the reaction will break completely when all the activity site becomes soaked with substrate. This will result in a decreased time per second of being produced as one of byproducts of this reaction. In other words, the experiment is that influence of substrate hydrogen peroxide will be enabled on the reaction rate. The mixture of the hydrogen and water 40% of the yeast, because if the concentration is double over, the number of molecules of the substrate is correspondingly double over. That means there will be 2 times as many successful collisions. For that reason, it is true to say that in theory, rate U concentration. Predict result. Predict result. The lower concentration of hydrogen peroxide used, the lower reaction rate will be. Materials, I need 5 tubes of hydrogen peroxide, water, yeast, gas syringe, stop clock, clamp stand, 5 filter papers of each trial, syringe, stopper, thermometer, tweezers, beakers, test tube rack, pipette filter. Method. Independent variable. The independent variable is manipulated will be the concentration of the hydrogen peroxide. I anticipate using a tube in order to make the concentration of 0%, 2%, 10%, 2%, 2%. I will do this by creating each combination up to 100 millimeter. So for instance, the 2% concentration solution will be consist of 15 millimeters of hydrogen peroxide and 0% of water. I will put the 5 different concentration solution in the tapering flask, which will be placed in a beaker. Why? Because a tube is very precise way of measure volumes. I rely on that it will be greatest technique to make the concentrations. Furthermore, this will be remove a very large tool error that will occur if I use a beaker. In each introductory experiment, I count the volume of gas each 10 seconds, but originate that the response was over beforehand, I had enough dimensions and that the result I increase will not be adequate to obtain sufficiently data to bring a valid conclusion. Dependent variable. The dependent variable is the volume of gas shaped in a respective reaction. This will be differently a switch result of dissimilar concentrations of hydrogen peroxide. Well, guys, I'm gonna show you a table. Result. The result of the experiments are described in words. The tables, graphs, and figures support the information given in the result. This is the first table. You can see the oxygen concentration, a percentage, and then the substrate millimeters, and then the hydrogen peroxide. 0.2% give a substrate 10 10 millimeters, and then 0 oxygen. 1%, 2.3 substrate millimeters, and then 7 point oxygen. 2%, and then 6.6, and then oxygen 2.34, and then 3%, and then substrate 10%, and then oxygen 0%. So I'm gonna show you table 2, the reaction of catalase at different substrate concentrations. Now you can see, guys, oxygen concentration percent, trial 1, trial 2, reaction per second, and then average reaction time per second. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you a graph, reaction per second, and then concentration of percentage. You can see the y-axis and then the y-axis. You can see 0%, 600, average 600, and then 0.3, average 17, and then 1, average 28.5, and then 2, 19.5, and then 3, 9. This is the x. This one is the x-axis, and then this one is the y-axis, the reaction rate per second, and then this is the oxygen concentration of peroxide. Now discussion. I'm gonna explain you everything as this table show. For the table 1, I can understand that as a concentration of hydrogen peroxide. Let me go back to table 1. From the table, I can understand that as a concentration of hydrogen peroxide reduce, the volume of oxygen created reduce as a switch result, because as the concentration reduces, the amount of molecules of hydrogen peroxide also reduce. In addition, it decreases the quantity or the amount of the atoms that could respond with each other, and so the amount of the impacts that reaches the motivation energy also decreased. There were also less enzyme substrate multiplex form. To be precise, relates to how close the dependability of the given result is to one another. The tendency showed that the results were accurate because there was a great correlation among the concentration and reaction rate, labeling a highly strong relationship among the two variables. On the other hand, this precision does not relate its exactitude to outly in the result. To conclude, to sum up, guys, the tendency is the result did not support my hypothesis. For this experience, it was hypothesized that uncertainly the concentration of the hydrogen peroxide way out increase, then the rate of the reaction will also increase. Furthermore, when challenging the reaction rate of the enzyme figure 1, I noticeably show that the reaction rate increase when the concentration increase. For references, I choose Coslane Daniel, role of enzyme in metabolism,